Good morning student, myself Pankaj Kumar and welcome to my class. In last video we were discussing about rounding of number where we had seen rounding a number to the nearest 10, rounding a number to the nearest 100, rounding a number to the nearest 1000, rounding a number to the nearest 10,000 and rounding a number to the nearest lakh. Today also we will continue with this. So let's see. So here we have rounding a number to the nearest 10 lakh. Okay, nearest 10 lakh. So for this we need to see lakh place. Okay, for this we need to see lakh place. Now see the example. So here we have ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. Okay, so we have 4 in lakh place or just right side of 10 lakh place. So we have ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh and 10 lakh. This is 10 lakh and just right side of 10 lakh we have 4. Now we will check whether it is less than or not. So 4 is less than 5. So what we have to do? We have to make this one 0 and this also. This one, this one, this one, this one, this one. Okay. All will be 0. And this side we have to write as it is. Okay. That means 875. 8, 7 and 5 will be added. Understood? So this is how we can round off, as you can see on the screen. Okay. Now here we have another example: 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. Okay. So we have 5 in lakh place, or just see right side of 10 lakh place. So we have 5 which is equal to 5. So what we have to do? We have to increase the digit is in 10 lakh place by 1. Okay. So now we have in 10 lakh place 8. So when we increase by 1, then it will become 9. Okay. And we have to give 0 this side. Okay. We have to replace these digits by 0. Understood? And this side we have to write as it is. See the result. As you can see, when we increase 8 by 1, it will become 9 and 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0 and this side as it is 6, 9. Understood? Then we have rounding a number to the nearest crore. For this we need to see 10 lakh place. Okay? We need to see 10 lakh place. Now see the example. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. So this one is in 10 lakh place, or see just right side of the crore place. Okay, so we have 7 in crore place and just right side of 7 we have 1 and 1 is less than 5. Now we have to check whether it is less or more. Okay, so 1 is less than 5. So we have to make this one 0 and these digit also. These digits also we have to replace by 0. Okay, and this side we have to write as it is. So see the answer: 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 8, 7 as it is. Okay, so this is the answer. Now see another example. So ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. So we have 8 in 10 lakh place. Okay, which is more than 5. So what we have to do? We have to increase this 9 by 1. Okay, the number which is in crore place, that we have to increase by 1. When we add here 1, 9 plus 1, 10. We'll take here 0 and 1 will be carry for this 6. Now 6 plus 1, 7. And this side we have to give 0. As you can see, this will come here and this one here, this one here. Understood? So this is how we have to round up. Now round up of the decimal. Now how to round up the decimal number? Okay, So we are going to discuss about that. So first we have rounding to the nearest 1. rounding to the nearest 1. First let me read out the step, then I will show you the example how to round off. Okay, so step number 1, we look at the digit in the 10th place. For nearest ones we need to see 10th place. Okay, we need to see 10th place. Step number 2, if it is less than 5, then digit in the ones place remain the same. If it is less than 5, then digit in the ones place remain the same, and we replace the digit in the 10th place by 0. Okay, now step number 3, if the digit in the 10th place is 5 or more than 5, we add 1 to the digits in the ones place and replace the digit in the 10th place by 0. So same way we have here two condition. Okay, now see the example and you try to understand the concept. So we have here 17.2 and 18.5. Okay, so we have two decimal number. So first, according to step number 1, we need to see 10th place. Here you can see this one is ones and this is 10th and this is 10th. Okay, here I am writing th 10th. Okay, so according to step number 1, we have to see the 10th place for nearest for rounding to the nearest one. So this is the ones, and we have the 2 in 10th place, or see just right side of the ones place. Okay, so we have 2 and 2 is less than what, 5. Okay, 2 is less than 5, so we will follow this step. Okay, if it is less than 5, then digit in the ones place remain the same. Where is the ones place? Here, and we have 7, that means this 7 will be same. Okay, then give decimal and we replace the digit in the 10th place by 0, that means this place. So here we have to give 0 and this will be as it is. Okay, 17.0. This is the answer. Understood? Now let's see this one. Here we have 18.5. Okay, so according to step number 1, we have to see 10th place. So this one is 10th place, and here we have 5 which is equal to 5. Okay, which is equal to 5, then we have to follow this is step number 3. If the digit in the 10th place is 5 or more than 5, we add 1 to digit in the ones place. That means we will add 1 in the ones place. So this is the ones place. Okay, when we add, we'll get here 9 and replace the digit in 10th place by 0. That means this one. So here we have to replace 5 by 0. Okay, and 1 as it is we have to write. Understood? Now see the result. 17.0 and 19.0. This is the round off of these numbers, these decimal numbers. Understood? Then we have rounding to the nearest 10th. Rounding to the nearest 10th, or this also called 1 decimal place. 1 decimal place. Okay, here we are talking about this one. This is 10th and this is 100th. Okay, and this side we have ones, tens. Understood? So here we are talking about 1 decimal place, that means this one. Okay, or 10th place, this one, where you can see 2. Okay, so for 1 decimal place or for 10th, we need to see 100th place. 100th place, that means this one. Okay, this is 10th and 100th. So this number we have to see. As you can see, in 100th place we have 3. Now we have to check whether it is less or more. So 3 is less than 5. Okay, 3 is less than 5. So we have to follow this step. Okay, if it is less than 5, then digit in the 10th place remain the same. Digit in the 10th place remain the same, and we replace the digit in the 100th place by 0. So this one we have to replace by 0 and this 10th place value will be same. Okay, and this side also will be same. Understood? So if it is less than 5, then digit in the 10th place, that means 2. What we have in 10th place, 2 remain the same, and we replace the digit in the 100th place, so we have 3 that we have to replace by 0. Understood? So this will be the answer. 18.20. Same way you can see for this example, we have here 65.36. So according to step number 1, we have to see 100th place. So this one is 10th place and this one is 100th place. Okay, so here we have 6, or just see right side of the 10th place or 1 decimal place. So this one is 10th place, and see just right side of the 10th place we have 6. Okay, now 6 is greater than 5. 6 is greater than 5. Then what we have to do? We have to increase this 10th place value by 1. Okay, as you can see here, when we increase by 1, 3 plus 1, 4, and 100th place we have to replace by 0. 100th place we have to replace by 0, and this side will be as it is. Understood? Here you can see 6 is greater than 5. 6 is greater than 5. In this case we have to increase 10th value by 1. Okay, when we increase by 1, then it will become 4, and this 100th value will replace by 0. Okay, so answer will be 65.40. Okay, now see rounding up to the nearest 100th, or we can say 2 decimal places. 2 decimal places. Here we are talking about 10th, 100th. Here we are talking about this one. Okay, or 2 decimal places. This is first decimal places and this is second decimal places. Okay, so we can say 2 decimal places or 100th. So for this we have to see 1000th place. 1000th place, that means this one. 10th, 100th, 1000. This place we need to see. And here we have or just right side of the 100th place. So here we have 100th place, and just right side of the 100th place we have 1. Okay, so ultimately we have to see 1. Okay, and 1 is less than 5. 1 is less than 5. Okay, 1 is less than 5. So what we have to do? This 100th place will be as it is, and this 1000th place we have to replace by 0, and this side will be same, 17.230. This will be the answer. Understood? As you can see on the screen, 17.230. Now see the second example. So here we have 35.369. 35.369. So according to step number 1, we have to see either 1000th place or just right side of the 100th place. Okay, so this one is 10th place, this one is 100th place, and this one is 1000th place. Okay, so just right side of the 100th place we have 9, or according to step number 1 we have to see 1000th place, that means in that case also 9. So 9 is greater than 5. 9 is greater than 5. So what we have to do? We have to increase this 100th value by 1. So when we increase this 100th value by 1, we will get 6 plus 1, 7, and we will replace 1000th place by 0. As you can see, here we have 9 and here we have replaced by 0, and this side will be as it is. That means 35.3 will be same. Understood? So this is rounding up to the nearest 100. Now rounding off to the nearest 1000, 3 decimal places. Here we are talking about 3 decimal places or nearest 1000. That means this one is 10th, 100th, 1000, and this one is 10,000. Okay, so here we are talking about 3 decimal places. That means this one. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, 3 decimal places. So according to step number 1, here we have to see 10,000 place. This one here we are talking about this 3, or see just right side of the 1000. So here we have the 1000 place, and just right side of this 1000 place we have 3, which is less than 5, which is less than 5. Okay, so what we have to do, we have to replace this 10,000 place by 0, and this will be same. Okay, the digit at the 1000 place will be same. That means this will be 3 only, and this 10,000 place we have to replace by 0, and this side will be as it is. That means 19.42. Okay, see the answer, 19.42. 3 will be same, and this one only we need to replace by 0, because this 3 is less than 5. Okay, now see another example. Here you can see we have 55.3687. Okay, so according to step number 1, we have to see 10,000 place. So we have 10, 100, 1000, 10,000. Okay, so according to step number 1, we have to see 10,000 place. So we have 7 here, or see just right side of 1000. So here we have the 1000 place, just right side of the 1000 we have 7. So we need to see 7, and 7 is more than 5. Okay, in this case what we have to do, we have to increase this 1000 place value by 1. So right now here we have 8, and when we increase by 1, this will become 9. Okay, and we have to replace the 10,000 place value by 0. Okay, and this side will be as it is. This side will be as it is, as you can see on the screen, 55.36, here 9 and 0. This is the answer. Understood? So now here we have one question. Divide 83.18 by 19 and write the quotient correct to 3 decimal places. So according to this question, first we have to find out the quotient. Okay, then we have to round off to 3 decimal places. Okay, so let's solve this. First we will divide by 19. So we have 83.18, and we have to divide this by 19. Okay, first it will go 4 times. When we multiply 19 into 4, we will get here 76. When we subtract, we will get here 7. Okay, now bring down this 1 here. Before that you give decimal point, because here you can see before 1 we have decimal point. So we have to give here decimal point. Now it will go how many times? 3 times. When we multiply 19 by 3, we will get here 57. Now subtract, when we subtract we will get 14. Okay, now bring this 8 here. Now it became 148. Okay, now it will go 7 times. So when we multiply 19 by 7, then we will get 133. Now subtract, when we subtract 8 minus 3, 5, 4 minus 3, 1, and 1 minus 1, 0 or cancel. Okay, now here you can see we don't have any numbers, so using this decimal point we will take 0 here. Okay, here now it became 150. Again it will go 7 times. When we multiply we will get 133. Again you subtract, when we subtract we will get here 17. Again using this decimal point we can take 0 here. Now it became 170. Now it will go 8 times. Okay, now when we multiply we will get here 152. Okay, now subtract again, then we will get here 18. So here you can see the quotient. This will be continuous. I am stopping here only. So here we have 4.3778. Okay, now we have to correct to 3 decimal places. 3 decimal places, that means this one here, 10th, 100th, 1000th and 10,000. Okay, So for 3 decimal places, that means here we are talking about 1 2 3, this 7. Okay, that means 1000 place. Okay, so according to this we have to see just right side of the 1000 place or 3 decimal place. Okay, so we have 8 and 8 is more than 5. 8 is more than 5. So what we have to do, we have to increase this 7, that means 1000 place value by 1. Okay, by 1. And here in 10,000 place we will replace by 0. So what will be the answer? 4 point, and this side we have to write as it is, 4.37. now here we have to increase by 1 because 8 is more than 5, so we'll get here 8. Okay, and this one we have to replace by 0. This will be the answer. Understood? Clearly you can see here the digit at 4 decimal place is 8. Therefore quotient correct to 3 decimal places is 4.3780, or this we can write 4.3780. no need to write. Okay, both the answer is correct. Understood? So this is how you have to find out the answer. Okay, so children, today whatever I have discussed with you, I hope each and everything is clear to you. Thank you.